Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm back with another best tech video. This time I'm going to be showing you guys some awesome tech for under $50. Make sure to check out my previous best tech videos. I'll put some links in the description. I will also have the links to all the products that I mentioned in this video in the description, so make sure you check that out as well. First up, we got the Nomad 1.5 meter universal cable. It's called the universal cable because it's basically 3 cables in one. The main adapter plug is micro USB, and along with it you have a lightning adapter and a USB-C adapter. This cable supports fast charging, which is great, and it is MFI certified. I really like this cable because you get the convenience of having 3 cables in one, which means that you can pretty much charge any modern piece of tech that's out these days. I also really like the 1.5 meter length. It's longer than your standard charging cable, which makes it really convenient. To organize your cable, you get a vulcanized silicone cable tie, which is really cool. This cable is really tough because it survived Nomad's bend test, where this cable is flexed over 10,000 times. The universal cable's outer layer is made out of ballistic nylon, and the connectors are made out of metal. This cable just screams quality and toughness, and it will definitely last a long time. The Nomad 1.5 meter universal cable does come with a lifetime warranty just in case though. If you're looking for a power bank to use your Nomad universal cable with, the Anker PowerCore Plus 10050 is a great option in my opinion. I've had this power bank for over a year now, and it has held up very well. This power bank is pretty small in comparison to other 10,000 mAh power banks. It has great build quality, and it supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, which is just amazing. However, the model I have here is the Quick Charge 2.0 version. It comes with its own fairly long micro USB cable to charge the power bank and your devices. It also comes with a nifty carrying pouch to hold your power bank, which is a nice touch. The build quality of this whole package is amazing, and the outside of the power bank is made out of aluminum alloy. On the power bank itself, you have a button with 10 battery indicator lights and a single USB output. The single USB output is the only downside that this power bank has in my opinion, but it isn't a deal breaker. The third product we have in this video is a pair of true wireless earbuds from the company Cobble Pro. These earphones are truly amazing for the price, and they currently come in either black or white. Along with these earphones you get a micro USB cable for charging, an extra pair of ear tips, and the case, which also acts as the charging base. There is only one button on each of the earbuds that you will use to control your calls, music, etc. You can get up to 3.5 hours of listening time with these earphones, which is alright. But you can get up to 26 hours with the charging base thanks to its 1300 mAh built-in battery. These earphones fit great in my ear, and they don't fall out very often when I run or jog. They're also sweat-proof so that you don't have to worry about getting a little bit of moisture getting on them. The sound quality of these earphones are amazing, especially at this price point, and these things blew me away when I first listened to them. The mids and highs sound very clear, and the bass is very punchy. You can get even better sound quality if you use an equalizer in my opinion. To complement the great sound quality, the Cobble Pro True Wireless earbuds have pretty good noise isolation. These earphones use Bluetooth 4.1 and have a 30 feet range. Once you go truly wireless, it's going to be hard to go back. If you're looking for a great value pair of true wireless earbuds, I highly recommend these ones from Cobble Pro. However, if you're still a person that can't move away from the 3.5mm headphone jack yet, like me, this next product is for you. This is the Base Audio G8, and they're a pair of 3.5mm headphones that I backed on Kickstarter a while back. They're a great sounding pair of earphones for the price. These earphones can easily rival other earphones that cost at least 3 times as much in my opinion. The G8s comes with a hardcover carrying case to protect the earphones, which just adds to the value. You also get a little clip that you can use to clip them to your clothes. The G8s has a flat cable which is tangle resistant, an L-shaped 3.5mm jack, and an aluminum closure that protects the huge 9mm drivers. These drivers help produce the great sound and premium bass reproduction. The mids and highs are really clear, but the bass really blew me away. These earphones are super bass heavy, and it's insane. The bass is super deep, punchy, and literally head rattling. The noise isolation is really good as well. I think that these are the best earphones for under $50, and you should definitely pick these up. Next is an amazing wallet that looks super cool and unique in my opinion. This is the Axis from Trayvax. The one I have here is in the royal purple Cerakote color. It doesn't look like a traditional wallet, but that's not a bad thing at all. The Axis Wallet is made in the USA and it can hold up to 14 cards and 8 bills. The locking mechanism is pretty simple, but it'll hold your wallet closed very securely. Your cards go in this slot and it is adjustable to fit the cards you need. To access your cards, all you need to do is unlock the locking mechanism, swipe the cards up to fan them out, and then pick the card you want to use. On the back, there is a money clip that can hold bills that are folded twice. There is a cool little hidden pocket that you can use to hold a key or some spare change, which is pretty awesome. Towards the bottom of the wallet, there is a paracord, and you can use that to clip your wallet onto your belt loop, bag, etc. The paracord also makes it easy to take the Axis out of your pocket. It's a very unique and great looking wallet that can hold the essentials, and it comes in many different colors. Last but not least, we have the f-stop watch. The f-stop watch is an awesome product for all you photographers out there. As you can see in the watch face, you basically tell time by aperture. Is it practical? No, not really, but it sure is pretty cool. You can tell someone that you have a meeting at f11 or have to do something at f2.8. You can't really tell time accurately with this watch, but it's accurate enough in my opinion to get the general time. This watch has a 33mm diameter face, which is pretty small, and this is a pretty small watch. If you have a large wrist, I would skip this watch because there is a chance that it might not fit on you. Anyways, it has leather straps, a Japanese quartz movement, and it comes in a tin box, which is pretty cool. The tin box also doubles as a display case when you're not using your watch. It doesn't have any sort of waterproof or water resistance, so I would keep this watch away from water. Again, it isn't the most practical watch, but you can use it to tell the general time and it just looks super cool in my opinion. That was this month's Best Tech video and I hope you enjoyed. If you have, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Also, leave a comment in the comment section telling me which piece of tech from this episode is your favorite. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.